And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a quick 5-minute Tile Tool Tuesday video. In this quick segment, we will be talking about reviewing and of course demonstrating how it works. This right here, an inside pipe cutter. I have mocked up a small scale shower pan over here with an ABS drain to demonstrate how the tool works. Now, this tool right here is by Superior. Of course, as usual, links will be in the description below with specs and pricing. It is great for general contractors, tile contractors, plumbers, handyman. It saves you time not having to break down the slab foundation in order to cut down the ABS drain, and alleviates the need to cut open your subfloor to cut down your ABS to install a new toilet flange. So it helps to speed up time when installing a new drain kit in a slab foundation. It also helps installing your new toilet flanges in slab foundations and your plywood subfloors. So here we go. Let's get right to it. Bring the camera up close, open this up, show you what it looks like, which tools you use it with, and how quickly and easily it'll cut your ABS to install your new drain kit. So here it is. Again, by Superior Tool, internal PVC pipe cutter. This is for ABS as well as PVC. This fits in a drill as well as an impact driver. For 1 1/4 and larger pipe, let's open it up. And there it is. This little tool runs about $12 and saves you a ton of time. You can install it in a drill, or what we'd like to do is install it in an impact driver like this. Now keep in mind, guys, I quickly mocked this up for demonstration purposes with leftover dry pack. So if you guys demo and remodel a shower, you bring it down to your concrete slab. Now you will need to cut down this ABS drain here in order to accept your new drain kit. We have 2 of them here, a 3-piece flange. We also have a Schluter drain assembly. We will be using this for the video. For this demonstration, we will reduce the height 1.5 inches with our inside pipe cutter. Mark 1.5 inches. Just like that. And there you are. The drain assembly was lowered. You now have enough room between your slab foundation and the top of your drain assembly for your new dry pack mortar bed shower pan or foam shower pan. Well, there it is, guys. Inside pipe cutter, very useful tool. This thing speeds up a lot of time when installing a new drain kit assembly or flange for a toilet. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, share this video if you know anybody who might find this little tool useful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.